you're interested to see how I took all of this hair from here to here, then make sure you keep on watching. Hey y'all, it's your girl Charmy here, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since y'all heard my voice. I just been, MIA. I apologize, but here I am back to do some jumbo knotless braids. Y'all know her hair was thick. OMG, but she has some of the most beautiful hair. She has beautiful hair. Okay, so as you can see, I am using the Ez Braid hair. I think I used about 2 packs altogether. I probably used about 6 to 7 bundles of hair to achieve this style. Now later on in the video, you'll also see that I am no longer using the grip glaze. I stopped using the grip glaze because my sister wanted me to go ahead and try out the Black Panther grip braiding gel, whatever it's called, and surprisingly I really do like it. So for my upcoming videos, I probably won't be using the grip glaze as much, but I most definitely will be incorporating the Black Panther in with my braiding style somehow. Also, y'all, if you haven't done already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Also, make sure you hit that big thumbs up. That way others can see this video on YouTube. Now y'all, I'm not gonna sit and talk y'all head off about this style. I have plenty other jumbo knotless braid videos on my channel, so go ahead and make sure checking those ones out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stop talking, and I'm gonna let y'all sit back and enjoy the video. Make sure y'all continue to stay safe. Mwah.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
See the way you're showing now, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah, you know the way to pose. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't change you.
Internationally known on this microphone. Holyfield, Ross Craig, we had Tyson's though. Lonely nights, I'm alright, I can vibe alone. So don't be tired, I'm quiet, no inquiring though. I know your angles, way back then bitches show your bracelet. Cartier stacking for days, look like Thanos. You saying the universe ain't grateful. I put infinity stones, I know your fingers. Generous when I got feelings for who I got. Feelings for when I'm not. Feeling you, girl, I'm not. Dealing with other feelings, I feel that you feel a lot. Cause I be in my feelings, I'm giving you what I've got. Maybe I'm on your page, maybe I got no heart. Maybe I can't love you cause I don't know where to start. And chasing your potential ain't enough. I guess I am what I am, but you are who you was, what's up?
See the way you're showing now, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah, you know the way to pose. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't tame you.
You look good, girl. It's like you look good.
I can't change you.
Okay, this energy's giving me sex symbols. Pose for me, girl, I think I'm the best with you. Pose for me more, I think you the best for me. Now post when I'm done and credit your ex, nigga. Yeah, you pay, you flex different. You know I be the plug, the one to connect with you. Now go up in these stores and tell them who mess with you. You know I take you home, but now you address different. Woo! I ain't tricking, we clicking, I ain't tripping. You sipping, reposado, consider what I say my sentences. I be with hood, Christian them, or the slime. They shine for Lauren, I've been popping back when Papa came out. I be like, shawty, put that shit on and take a pic. I bet you catch a body. 650, I pull up, they gon' 180 to us. They gon' be hating on us, but you be straight, then I be straight, and ain't no angle to it. Store it. Hey, bruh.
See the way you're showing now, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah, you know the way to pose. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't tame you. I can't change you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
like in the store if you want it. I gave him the drill, they stood it up, I got him on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to wait so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all runners. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got vocals in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had a drop, not too many bitches getting saved. See that nigga rush me, so I took a private plane. These pussy niggas like it when I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, charge to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a balance by the name. Drip too hard, caution on the floor, you gon' fuck around and drown, try and ride a nigga way. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.